This is a big one. The trial of 5 men accused of South African musician Kiernan, aka Forbes, and his friend and entrepreneur Tebello Tibz Motsoane is set to resume in the Durban High Court. This is the story that Jade Paulser has been on for us since the beginning. Jade, talk to us. What are we expecting today?
Well, a very good morning to you, Leanne. And I think it's been 2 years since police have arrested the 5 suspects. We know that the 2 other suspects are still in Eswatini. It remains to be seen whether the case will actually start today. We know it is a pre-trial conference, but there's been several delays. Just to rope in our legal expert, Abigail Ngubeni, the possibility of this trial actually starting. The last time we saw Simphiwe Mdlotshwa, the defense advocate, taking over all 5 of the suspects and representing them.
So today what we are expecting, right? You remember last time they came very shortly to come and agenda matter today for the purposes of pre-trial. And the pre-trial is mainly to streamline issues, to come together and agree on issues of common cause, on whether or not there will be a point of law that will be raised by the defense or the state, what the court should expect. And what we expecting is for them to come and say, whatever was exchanged is enough. Can this matter be certified trial ready? So we are waiting to see what the parties will come and say to the court.
Abigail, surely the suspects not getting bail, that actually strengthens the state's case. It should be watertight by now. Surely they should have ironed out all these nitty-gritties. Yeah, at that time when the evidence was presented before the court, particularly the magistrate court, there were a lot of arguments that were made to say the state's case is stronger, but the delay as well. You remember that in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution, trial should commence and finalize without unreasonable delay. And you will imagine that if these people were arrested for 2 years, it's unreasonable to have the longer postponement or the longer adjournment. So we're expecting them to come and put confidence into the High Court to say there has been steps that were taken and this matter will commence sooner than later. Is still a matter of the extradition still on the cards as well with the 2 Ndimande brothers in Eswatini?
We're just hopeful that I'm told that the appeal is only now going to be argued in the High Court Kamanzini, and we are hopeful that something will come out of there. But what is also in the line, one is only holding the air, or rather the breath, to say the extradition was done to the T, so that we don't have them coming back here only to find issues of law coming into play on whether or not that extradition was done properly.
Abigail Ngubeni, thank you so much, our legal expert there, and just ironing out the possibilities of what could transpire today. Hopefully there won't be any applications brought forward by the defense. The state says it is trial ready, it is the pre-trial conference. We'll be bringing you all that and more throughout the course of the day. It's back to you in studio.
All right, thanks very much. We'll see what happens on this particular one, whether it goes ahead or not. Jade Paulser, thank you.